and then we came home, but we did end up getting boxes at the P.O. box, which I'm super excited about because I've seen these all over Instagram. So I'm not sure exactly how to pronounce it, but it's love and every combined into one word. So it's like Lovery, I'm not sure. Basically, it's like a curated box for different months of your baby's life. We got one for Peanut. What is it, 0 to...
Yeah, they said that they would send us 2, so we got 0 to 12 months.
No, 0 to 12 weeks.
I'm sorry.
0 to 12 weeks. And then this one's for Everett and Maeve's age, and it's 34, 35, and 36 months. I think you can do like a subscription, which I think would be a really cool gift for somebody that like...
A new parent?
Yeah, that has, I was like someone that you know that's having a baby. A new parent would be the right word.
Listen. Okay, are you listening? We're gonna share, okay?
I'm so excited, Mama.
You're so excited?
Me too.
Okay, we're gonna play together, okay? Yes, play together. Deal?
Deal.
1, 2, 3. Team Rosa! Oh, so cute. Look at this.
So what is this
little
one?
kid.
This box is called the Free Spirit. Oh my gosh, it just looks so fun. The free.
Okay, hang on. Back it up.
So on the other side of this card, it tells you what comes in the box. There's a wooden camper with locking doors so they can learn how to use keys, a puzzle.
Mommy, what's this?
That is,
They're like nesting dolls or something?
a Van Gogh outdoor playset. They're like little people in sleeping bags.
Maeve has it.
And there's a tent that goes with it. You can pop it open.
Play together, remember.
Look, there's more
Everett,
stuff
look
in
at
here.
these.
Look, a book
Everett.
called Now That I'm 3. Whoa,
These are so cool.
that is amazing.
Everett, look at what I have.
They're like blocks that look like rocks. What does Maeve have, the camper? Now That I'm 3.
So
Who just turned 3?
Mama. Me.
You?
Yeah.
And this book is all the things that you could do now that you're 3. Oh, look at this one. Going on the potty.
Mama, you can do that on you do. You wanna go and party?
When you're 3, yeah.
I size of big me.
So big?
You're all
I
done.
size of me.
Pull that.
The other size of me.
That's the size of you?
Pull it
Yeah.
out.
High five.
Size of me. I'm big now.
You are big now.
I'm so size 6.
Yeah. Came with this cool puzzle that is like, you have to put the shape together and then put it in the shape, which is cool.
Contrasting colors.
A little more challenging.
Make numbers and then
Oh yeah, we didn't show this thing. They were playing
and then
with
it tells you on the back how to do it.
So everything in here is on here, and then on the back of the card it tells you how to do it. Let's open this one in private so we don't get bombarded. So it'll be nice for Peanut to have their own toys, since a lot of their toys will just be hand-me-downs from these gals.
Most of their toys.
All of them actually, except for this box.
So look at it from this way.
Oh, it's black and white on that side, and then you can flip it over and it's colors.
Whoa.
That's really cool.
Different patterns, like in black and white. You can put them in here.
That's cool.
It's a rattle too, like a rattly ball.
Mm-hmm.
That's cute. Oh, cute.
Aw.
Something that we never did. We always had, but we never did.
I'm gonna do that this time. Last baby, we're doing the month update picture.
Oh, we have a pair like this with the Velcro on it. These stay on so much better than like the elastic. And this is like a
Aw.
little wooden set
Little book.
with black and white pictures on it. A little something for you.
What is it? Oh, it's your favorite. Oh, good job, Maeve. Did you count to 10?
Aw. The days are long, but the years are short, it says. That's really sweet.
What I love about this is that you don't need batteries. It has no, like, you know, bells and whistles, no noises, which is really nice, which allows kids to, like, use their imagination. And from being a parent to 3 kids already, I've noticed that the kids get a lot more use out of toys that don't do that. Like, don't light up and don't make noise.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, Mama.
Great job.